Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to change your handle on X. Let's go to X, and you want to tap a profile picture in the top left corner of the screen to open the side menu. Now here let's scroll down to settings and privacy, Now let's go to your account section, and here select your account information. So tap on your username at the top where you will see your current username, and here you can enter your new username. So tap continue and you can enter here your new preferred username. When you're done, you have to tap done button in the top right to finally change your handle on X. So that's it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.